Oh!
Ayan.
Dami, dami.
Dami yan. Dami yan. Magkakataon mo sa bakit talikot. Sa dami ng huli.
Oh?
Oh, siyempre, karapa malaki dyan. Oh, di ba pakali oh? Oh, laki na, laki na, laki na. Tanda lang, tanda lang. Tanda lang ha. Huwag mo kaya naman yung kursa yun. Laki.
What happened? Ako, Erdel, marami?
Puno daw agad eh, puno. Puno ba? Hindi mo na yan tapos lang. Puno, puno.
Ah, dami.
Wala saan ka punta? Ito naman. Road trip. From. Ito kuya, dito. Karpa?
Gandang hapon, Kuya Rodel TV and Idol Master Friends. Yan, shout out sa Idol. Nolet Barkira.
Malaki? Dito, dito. Ha? Puno? Jackpot yan.
Oh. Jackpot, jackpot.
Jackpot na yan. Pag ganyan.
Jackpot, jackpot.
O, doon mo lagay.
Oh,
Hindi mo baka masyoko dyan ha.
it's a lot of fish.
Ha? Puno?
Oh. Oh, dami. Woo! Jackpot, jackpot. Jackpot. Oh, wow. Ang dami, it's amazing. Oh, my God. Oh, may karpa, maliit.
May karpa. Wow!
Oh, oh my God.
Dami! Hello? No. Kaya pa?
Kaya pa? My God, it's so amazing. We saw a lot of fish in this river. Oh, can you see that? It's a lot of fish. Only one throw a cast net. Just I caught only maybe it's one only 20 kilos. 20 kilos ba yan?
Yeah. Maybe 20 a kilo to 30 kilo every hagis.
Yeah.
Every hagis. Oh, may Amerikano pa.
That's why I love Taiwan.
There's
Yung lagay natin.
American fish.
Shoutout bye. Ingat kayo dyan, Idol. Bye. Cesar TV. Yan. Ingat din, Idol.
Yato tayo doon.
Huh?
Fish net Idol.
Oh my God. It's a lot of fish. Oh, that's a golden carp by Yulo.
Yulo. The golden boy.
It's a golden boy in Philippines. Can you see that? That's a lot of fish.
Masalap. Masalap yan, masalap. Kaya ng talong? Bilang umaraw, no? Bilang umaraw.
Kaya nga eh. Oh, hulog na. Mahulog yan. Guys pa dyan oh. Ang dami dyan oh. Oh my goodness. How could you do that? Why a lot of fish? This is the first time. This is the first time, so a lot of fish in this river.
Yung malalaki lang kunin natin.
O malaki lang? Warak-warak na.
Yun na oh. Kalaran ng madala.
Oh, grabe. That one is very big. Maybe 1 kg. Oh, be careful, my friend. Shout out, bye. Nakauwi na ba si Cesar?
Umuwi na yan. Sabi to. Naumay na daw.
Ha?
Naumay na si Taiwan.
You know? Oh, maybe 2 kg. My goodness. Ang sakit ng init.
Kaya nga, bilang umaraw.
Ang sakit. Oh, patalikod, masakit.
Bilang umaraw eh.
Yan. Oh. Woo, I saw a lot of fish. This one called in the Philippines is tilapia. Tilapia is very delicious. Only in fried tilapia. Yeah, and steam also. If you visit in the Philippines, you try eat tilapia.
Yung tali niyan sa ano?
Ha?
Baba, taas no?
You try eat tilapia in the Philippines if you visit Philippines, my friend.
Ano? Naihahabit siya pero hindi na nalubog masyado. Ha? Hindi na nalubog masyado.
Because here in the Asian country, this fish is most popular. Tilapia. Also here in the Asian country.
Ginagamit ito sa bangus.
I don't know here in the Europe or the US is this fish is hub in your country. Most Filipino, this fish is the most favorite dishes. Kuya Rodel, like delicious.
Only sausaw in the bagoong.
Oh.
Yun ang bagoong.
Yeah, wait a minute, my friend is Kuya Rodel is throwing a cast net for the second time. So you wait for a minute. And maybe I caught a lot of fish in one throw and in the second throw. Kuya Rodel trying to caught a lot of fish. He's preparing. Yeah. So ready? And here. Oh, I saw a lot of fish. Kuya Rodel. Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh wow! Shout out idol, pahingi, 1 kilo. Pengyu Vlogs. Yeah? Can you see that? Can you see that, my friend? Oh, this one has a lot of fish. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This one has a lot of fish. Oh my goodness. Can you see that, my friend? Shout out mga beshi. Only for the second throw. For the second throw. Kuya Rodel, he caught a lot of fish. Okay ah. You know? Stone fish. Oh my God! Taiwan is number 1 and the most a lot of fish at the river. Huh? This area. You saw that? This area, this beside, it's a lot of fish. Ito muna. Oh, my friend, he saw a fish. Okay. Oh, it's a legendary, huh? Legendary. Easy catching. Oh.
I like to put in my aquarium.
Yeah. Not dishes, not dishes. You put in your aquarium. Yan, okay, Ma'am Marilo Gaano. Hello po, ma'am. Ano na po? Overhit na. Pag inuwi ko na to, mawawala, no?
Alam ko lang.
Shout out Kuya Rodel from Marilo Gaano. Tuloy-tuloy pa naman, oh, no? Tuloy-tuloy naman.
Ayan.
Ha? Ewan ko lang. Oh yeah, hagis pa? Yeah, Kuya Rodel, trying to throw a cast net for the 3rd time. Marami ang karpa dyan, marami?
Sa gitna. Kahoy, may kahoy. Kahoy sa kito ba? Sa baba, sabay na ka baba. Yan. Kita mo sir. Uy, kita mo dyan oh.
And wait a minute, Kuya Ardel, trying to cut a lot of fish for the third time. Huh? We wait just a minute for the third time. Pabakar pa yan.
Tama yan. Tama yan. Ano? Ano? Mga isda sa gitna.
Yes, you. Good PM mga idol, ingat kayo. Kayo Maricel, Alayvan. Yan. Try it. Throw. Throw, wakas net. Oh, perfect. Perfect circle.
Grabe. Akala-kali mo kuya. Sa kang alamat.
Wait a minute.
Dami?
I see.
Ano yan?
I see. Oh my God!
Alang.
I saw a lot of fish. Oh my God! Be careful. Can you see that, my friend? You see that? Slowly, but surely. Slowly. Bakit wala kayo sa kinaroroonan nila Master Birador Vlog at Daniel Vlog? Idol, nasa kabila sila, idol? Kasi kanina, nung kami sa kabila kanina. Oh. Wait. Slowly but surely. What kind of fish? Oh, only one kind of fish? My God.
Wow.
Why too much? How could you do that? Oh, how could you do that? How could you do that, my friend? Why so a lot of fish? Sabi lang kaya dun, oh, sabi lang mamaya. Takbuhan na sila, oh. And we make a small fish fun. Pati may mga gilis dyan. Payong. Oh. Ang ulan, master, ah. Ang ulan. Pag umulan to, yari na.
dam.
Ha?
Buksan natin yung dam. Iangat natin yung pintuan niya.
Oh, ang dami oh. Oh. Ah. Parang 3 kilo itong isa. Parang 3 kilo. Oh. 3 kilo yan. We make a small fish fund. Oh, ang dami oh. Grabe. Oh. Oh. My goodness. My God. Hi, commentator. Fishnet full up. Full pa. Yung Marilo Gaano. Hello po, Ma'am Marilo Gaano. Wow. Maputi nakagluta. Dami nga din oh, nakalutang yung ulo nila oh. Nakalutang yung ulo. Oh. This is so amazing. At the river on the Taiwan is so amazing because a lot of fish. So no need to go to market to buy fish like this. Only you go to in the river and then you throw a cast net for free. Free fish dishes. Ano yan? My God. Oh my God. Ay, yung dalawa, master. Oh, grabe. Oy. Oh. Maybe this one, maybe 2 kilos. Kuya Ardel is very lucky. Oh. Oh. My God. For the 3rd time throw cast net and he caught big tilapia. Oh, this one maybe 1 kg. Yan, oh. Maybe this time to sow a lot of fish. Ben kuya, may sabit na ba dyan? May sabit na dyan?
Puro pa dyan. Ito pa sabi sa parang gitna.
Ah, padang gitna.
May dalawa pa ito pa dyan eh.
So, wait a minute.
Alam niyo po eh.
Wait a minute. To my viewers, waiting for throwing a cast net. Oh, just only 1 minute. You wanna finish removing fish in the cast net, and small fish throwing back to the water. Yan, Kuya Rodel throwing a cast net for the 4th time. Na. Okay na, okay na. Magagis na. No? No, kaya? Okay na? Ayan. Guys, sa gitna. And Kuya Rodel throwing back for the 4th time. He tried to catch a golden carp. Wait a minute. Just 1 minute. He preparing the cast net. Wait a minute. So I follow him. As he throw the cast net. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. On in the front, I saw a lot of fish, Kuya Rodel. Oh, it's a lot of fish, Kuya Rodel. Wait a minute, just a moment, my friend. Just a moment, wait a minute. And then he throw. Oh my God. I saw a lot of fish in this river. Oh! Oh! Woo! Sure ba yun?
Ayan yung
Yeah, perfect!
pangmamaw.
Perfect! Perfect!
Perfect to the
Oh my God!
yeah!
Oh! I saw where? I saw! Oh my God! Can you see that? My God! Oh! Oh! Wow! It's a lot of fish. Oh, Kuya Rodel is very lucky, huh? Kuya Rodel is very lucky, this guy. Oh my God! It's a lot of fish. Oh! Kuya Rodel, how could you do that?
Amazing, Kuya Rodel.
You're amazing, huh?
You're a lucky boy, Kuya Rodel.
My God, my God. Oh, I saw. Too much. Oh, too much. It's a lot of fish. It's amazing. Oh. Dulas. Kuya Rodel is very lucky. Oh, it's very lucky. He caught a lot of fish. He caught a lot of fish, my friend. Can you see that? In your country, what you call this one? This kind of fish. In the Asian country, this fish is most popular. In your country, what fish the most popular? Ay, sa atin, bangos ano? Bangos ano? Sa atin. Milkfish. Oh, so this is for the end of my life, my all viewers, and I hope you enjoy my live stream. Thank you very much for your watching here in my live stream, and thank you so much. Bye bye, and God bless all. Oh, this one maybe 10 kg. Cuerdel is very lucky. And only this one. This is my master. My master of drinking. Drinking master. Oh my goodness. Oh. So don't eat tilapia. Don't eat tilapia because if you eat tilapia, yeah, you like this, master friends. Sila kay Lems ba itong commentator? Opo ma'am. Share dan kay ma'am Ning Gayorgor. Yan. Lumalabas-labas po yung English natin eh. Paminsan-minsan kasi nagre-review na tayo papuntang ano.
Nakalawang na eh.
Ha?
Nakalawang na. Medyo nakalimutan pa namin magsalita ng Tagalog. Paningin na.
Pa-English na?
Paningin na.
So maybe
Please,
I'm going back to Thailand, so maybe I can understand Tagalog.
Don't speak Tagalog.
Yeah. So
Speak Tagalog. If you don't speak Tagalog, you are punished in one case of Coca-Cola. So you speak English.
Oh. Huwag kang makawala, ha. Malaki. That's awesome cats. Oh, si Marilugan nag-English na rin. Good afternoon mga idol. Shout out kay Ma'am Brenda Isla. Yeah, maraming salamat po. That's awesome cats. Yes, ma'am. That's awesome because for the fourth time throwing a cast net, Cuerdel is very lucky. He caught like this. Maybe this one, maybe one pieces is very almost 2 kg. Yeah. So yan mga idol, andito tayo sa isla. Yan, sa ilog ng Taiwan. Yan.
Wala ba yan? Wala ba yan? Overheat? Yeah. Hindi naman siguro?
One lang.
Hindi.
Hindi yan.
Si ano na eh. Ayun ano na eh.
Hello! Hello po, gandang hapon. Ano raw? Kay Rimasog Geneski.
I said, you are beautiful.
Yeah, I said you are beautiful.
Like Kuya Rodel. Handsome boy.
And if you like, your comment will appear here. Okay, you send 200 stars and your comment I spin. The slow connection. Oh, dumalo na slow connection. Namimiss ka ni slow connection, Kuya Rodel. Mag-comment na, slow connection. Yes, I know. Oh, hello mga idol. Di po ba naulan dyan? Ay, hindi man idol? As you can see, oh, the sky is color blue and white. And welcome to my live stream, and you're free to share this live stream, so you can share now. Yan o, ang dami o. Hi sis Marilu, gaano gandang hapon sis, ingat ka dyan. Galing kay Ma'am Rimasog Janeski. Oh. Oh, this is silver carp and golden carp. This a golden carp. This fish, what you call in your country? Please comment. This one. And this one, tilapia. Tilapia. Oh, English of tilapia. I don't know.
Lapis.
Tilapis. Wow, it's a nice weather because here in Changhua country, it's heavy rain. Oh my God! Well, that's what I mean, blessing. Pajikas naman po, pang tangos lang ng ilaw. Ah, grabe, oy. Kay Ma'am Neng Cargo, Hueva, Mura, Tala. Tarang-tawa si Ma'am Marimasok Janeski. Ingat kayo. Why in the Changhua? Why heavy rain? Why here in the Taichung? Oh, and you can see. You can see. Oh. Oh. Just a minute, just a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, perfect. Perfect drawing a cast net. Kuya Rodel. Ay, ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Naloka ako sa tilapis. Ay, nood lang, walang load joke. Yan. Ay!
Wala na.
Kawala na, kawala na.
Wala na, master. Wala.
Lalaki, lalaki.
Dami, dami.
Ang dami.
Dami bangus.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Friend. Oh my God.
Banak, banak. You can show me. You can show me. Oh, oh, oh. Oy. Marami, marami. Here in Taipei, raining also. Oh my God. Why Taipei and Changhua? Why heavy rain? But here in the Taichung, it's only cloudy only. No. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ang laki ng panggatong. Oh my God. Sayang. Ha? Oh? Banak.
Siguro ko mga islang yan ah. Liguan ako ah.
Oh?
Ligo na ako.
Oh my God. Let me see the big fish. Oh, wait a minute. I saw you. I can show you, man. I can show you. Oh, this one, this one. This one. Maybe this one 2 kg. Oh. Oh my God. Can you see that? Oh. Can you see that? Perfect. For the most 2 kg. And also this one. Also this one. Also this one. Oh, maybe this one 3 kg. Oh my God. Oh. Help now. Buy na, spam comment. Shout out from Mabalacat. Yan. Si Ma'am Neng Kayargor, hindi ko napasa yung shout out niya. Buy na, spam comment daw. How? Lihay. How ta? Oh. How ta? Namuta. Oh, namuta. Oh. I think tilapia is English is a Saint Peter fish. Oh my God. Maybe Saint Peter. This one is a carbonel. Saint Peter. You're not reading my comments, huh? Mom, I'm sorry. I cannot show it. But I repeat the comment. I repeat, Liki. So I saw here. Oh, ho, ho, ho. My God. And this one This for good for the barbecue. Barbecue. And the most of small fish, I try to dry tomorrow because today cloudy. What do you say? What could you say?
Love you.
I love you.
Love you. Because my eyes is very beautiful.
Oh my God. Joke. Parang mas maganda mag-English dito kasi dumadami yung nanonood pag nag-i-English ka eh.
Ha?
Ano? Ulan? Grilled tilapia is very delicious. Yeah, grilled tilapia is very delicious. Neng Carcueva Morantala. I love to my friend. Oh my God, I love to my friend. Oh, Ma'am Neng Carcueva Morantala. Oh. You're telling I love you. Who? This one I have a poor person, ma'am. Why you? You're telling I love you. But who? Oh, dami na oh.
Nagbabasa yung tilapia.
Tawa siya. Ha ha ha. Pud-pud na pala yung ECG pala eh. Kaya pala madulas na eh. Why are you laughing, ma'am? Oh. Next na? End na to? So, thank you so much for watching. I'm just kidding. So, thank you so much for watching this live stream, Kuya Rodel.
That's all, my friend.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And see you in our next
Master Friends.
Master Friends.
Respect TV. Ating idol, Sac TV.
Sac TV, yan.
Hanggang sa muli mga idol. Maraming salamat po.
What don't speak? Talaga, we're not understand you.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye-bye.